look at number 2. I've already written down, actually, let me explain. First, I need to use 1/2 times base times height because this is a triangle. And the way that I'm thinking of it, for some reason, whatever reason that is, I'm going to consider this the base. So I need to find the distance from T to O, and then also the distance from T to P. That will be the height because it's the perpendicular distance from the base all the way to the opposite vertex. So I need this, and then I'll use the distance formula. D equals square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1, all that squared, and then square rooting all of that. So my cat is getting in the way. Go on. Oh. Okay, so I've already written down the ordered pair for T, 1, 8, and O. What is that? 6, 6. So I'll do 6 minus 1 squared, that's 5, squared, that's 25. Then I'll do the plus in between. So I've done all of this part. Then I'll do 6 minus 8 squared, so that's -2, squared, that's +4. So I have the square root of all of that, and 29. So this distance is the square root of 29. I could do that in my calculator, but I'm just not going to round. So 29 square root. I could use that, just use a bunch of decimal places, but I'm just going to keep it like this for now. And maybe you can write out all the decimal places and then multiply later on and put it into this. So now I need to get P, that distance. So T again is 1, 8. P is, let's see, -5, comma, -5, comma, -7. And then once again, I'll do this minus this, so -5 minus 1 squared, that's -6 squared, that's 36. And then I'll do this minus this, so -7 minus 8 squared, that's -15 squared, which is, I think, 225. Let me just make sure. 15 times 15. Yes. I'm going to add that together and then square root all of that, which will be 36 plus 225 equals 261, and then square root. So square root of 261, that is this number. And then I have my base, check, and my height. So do 0.5 times whatever you get for the square root of 29 times whatever you get for the square root of 261, and then you'll get your answer. Bye-bye.